Every day we wake up and there's something new. Each sunrise brings a day of things to learn to do. Sometimes it's hard to learn on our own. It's no fun trying new things when we're all alone. So hooray for Baba Ali. Hooray for Baba Ali. Hooray for Baba Ali.
Oh, mashallah, what a cute bunny. Assalamu alaikum, Baba.
Alaikum salam.
Oh, what a cute bunny. Yeah, it looks so soft and cuddly.
Oh, I wish I could pet it.
I think he wants to show us some tricks with the bunny.
No, I think he wants to tell us something about the bunny. Oh, he's gonna show us 3 ways to be nice to animals.
What will you teach us first, Baba Ali?
How to hold an animal.
Oh, you have to hold the animals very gently.
What's next?
The second one is how to pet an animal.
Yeah, never pull their fur or ears.
What's the third thing, Baba Ali? Oh, feed the bunny.
The last one is feed the bunny.
But if it doesn't want to eat, don't force it. We learned a lot from you today, Baba Ali.
Yeah,
Jazakallah khairan.
the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to be very kind to animals.
Yeah, even if they are tiny or big.
Thank you, Balali, for teaching us how to be nice to animals.
Hooray for Baba Ali. Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
See you later. Assalamu alaikum, Bunny.
If Baba Ali can do it, so can you. Why be afraid of trying something new? We need someone we trust standing near, someone we know to give a rousing cheer. So hooray for Baba Ali. Hooray for Baba Ali. Hooray for Baba Ali.
Please help make another season of Hooray for Baba Ali. To donate to the production of Hooray for Baba Ali Season 3, visit www.hoorayforbabaali.com. Thank you.